Welcome to 60-Second Theology.
Hi, welcome to 60-Second Theology. We have an illustration for you today. It might look like the lights are a bit low, and that's going to work because I've got a bit of a thing to do. And what we're going to be doing here is saying the Jenga blocks represent the problems that we face as little sheep. There's the little sheep, there we are, it's me and you. And there we've got the Jenga blocks of some kind of things that we go through and we face in our life. Now, here's the thing, there's a scripture, 1 Peter, well, I'm going to go chapter 5, 6 through to 9, to get the full context, and it says, cast your burdens onto Jesus, for he cares for you. Now, there's all songs associated with that, but don't make me sing. So, when we cast our burdens onto Jesus, I was shown a long time ago, well, if you've got a car that needs fixing and not enough money to fix it, give him the car bill. You know, if we've got like a problem in the family, you know, give that to Jesus because he cares for you. And what happens a couple of hours later or 24 hours later, we're back worrying and being concerned about it again. So what the real mechanism is, what I want you to illustrate today, is to really get the most out of this, is to say what we're supposed to be doing is casting not the burden, not the problems onto him, but actually casting the way we respond to the problems onto him. So the way we look at our burdens and at our problems and we say, oh gosh, you know, I'm anxious, I'm worried sick. Have you heard that phrase, worried sick about something? You know, it's really, really affecting me. But here's what the Lord wants us to do, is to prioritize him and make him be who he says he is. And as we lift him up, this, by the way, this is the light. Jesus is the light, okay? As we lift him up higher and higher above our problems, can you see what's happening with the shadow? The shadow is becoming less and less prominent. And as we lift Jesus above the problems, we end up in the light again, and we end up looking at the burdens in front of us through a different kind of lens, a Jesus lens, through the ability to lift him up and say, you are who you say you are, powerful, all-knowing, able. You are the Lord of this situation. So it's not the burden so much, the problem, it's how it burdens us, how we get anxious about that. And what we want to do is lift Jesus above that, so we're not in the shadows anymore. You can be in the shadows the further Jesus goes away, but the more he comes closer and you lift him to be the Lord of these issues, we can stand in the light and look at the whole thing through a Jesus lens. I hope this has been useful, because you know, I'm not so much good at theatre, as you've just found out. But actually, I think it's a good application to say, cast your burdens, the way you're affected by the problems, onto Jesus, because he cares for you.